Today, I'm gonna review a book named Tractor in Trouble. Listen, says Sam. The tit shouting and the tractors running very, very, very faster down the hill. The tractor makes some funny noise. The trailer come off the tractor. The hair fall off the trailer. The tractor ran into the water. The tractor stuck in the water. Tit take off his boots and tip out all the water. Call Farmer Dre to help. Farmer Dre come with her old horse. Dolly is a huge car horse. Dre tied the rope to Dolly. Tit tights the into the tractor. Dolly pull. Tit push. Tit push, push. And then the tractor starting to move. And then the tractor flew fast, and then Tit fell in the water. Now Tit is all muddy and wet. They ride home. Farmer Dre lifts them on Dolly's back. Tit has to walk. Goodbye. I will see you on next clip. Goodbye. I will see you in another clip and tomorrow. Okay. Bye. Tomorrow I will bring some book with me because tomorrow I'm going to adventure and I will go to, I don't know, somewhere. My dad come take me to a great adventure and then I will take my books with me to go and take some photos and then I will take some photos for you to see. Okay, bye-bye.